with the brief solution of previous problem, which is two sum. So we have used two approaches. One is going with the brute force. So there is two loops. First one is I and second one is j. So in brute force, our time complexity will be big O of n square, because of first loop is going to be from 0 to our array of length, and second loop which is start from the first index of the array and going forward to array's length. Okay, same thing, if both indexes sum equal to the target, then we are return the both the indexes. Okay, so in these examples we have the array 2, 7, 11 and 15, and our target is 9. So first of all, our I and j. Okay, so here i's value is going to be 0, so 0 index we have 2, and j index we have 7. Okay, if both sums are equal to be 9, then we are return the 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1, so that is the correct. But in this approach, our time complexity will be big O of n square, because there is a two loops are running, so that's why we have time complexity will be big O of n square. So it's a very small array, so that's why it's not causing any issue. But if we are getting any large data of the array, so that times it's causing the issue. So that's why we are using the over optimized approach. We have the hash map. So in this hash map we are using only single loops, okay, for loops, and store the data in a hash map with the key and value pairs. So in this approach, first of all, in sum we are getting our target is 9. Okay, 9 minus nums of I, so on index is 7. Okay, now we are checking if right now we have the hash map with no value. Okay, it's a blank, so at that time we are saving map.put, because sub value is 7. Okay, 7 is not exist in the hash map, so we are putting the value. Okay, so nums of I means we are putting 2, and our key is 2 and value is 1, 0. Okay, again we are going to sub 9 minus 7. Okay, now we have 2. Okay, so here our value is 2, 0, and our subtractions value is 2, which is matching with our hash map value. So map dot get sub is the our key. Okay, so on the key we are getting the value, so value is 0, and here we are returning the I, so I iteration is going to be 1. Okay, so here our I was 0. Okay, and here our I is 1. Okay, so we are getting this value. So in above approach we are getting the indexes 0 and 1, 2 and 7, which are some values equal to the target. Okay, and same things here. So in this iterations we are not moving in the all over the array elements. Okay, so if we our key is matching with the our subtract value, then it will return. Okay, so that's it, the approach. Thank you for the watch.